Hey everyone, my name is Andrew. I'm the owner of Prisma Painting in Thunder Bay. We offer interior and exterior commercial and residential painting. With COVID-19 going around, I wanted to kind of give back to the community and offer a do-it-yourself video on how to paint like a pro. So that being said, we do offer Photoshop visuals, so when you're trying to pick a color, just send me the color you'd like and then I can take a Photoshop like this and plaster it on your bedroom to give you a better idea. We're also offering a free contact-free delivery system. So we show up to your door, we don't touch you or anything. You pay through e-transfer and then the paint arrives at your door and we send you an invoice through email. So that being said, let's get started. So the first step, you're gonna wanna go and grab some, if you have to, some of this stuff. It's called Dry Decks. It works really well. It goes on pink and then it dries white. It also does not need priming. So if you're just repainting a wall and you got a couple of nicks on the wall, it's nice to use this stuff because then you don't have to go and prime that area. Let's get started here. I've already done most of this wall, so we'll go to another wall that maybe needs a little bit more patching. So this here is a good example in here, and all these little spots here is a good example of things to get puttied here. So you take your putty, you open it up, put some on your putty knife here. So we'll wait till this dries. It'll dry white and then we'll do all these spots in the meantime. Now that it's done, you can take your sandpaper here. So we got our trailer ready. You can get one of these at Sherwin-Williams. They're brand new, they're really nice. It's got a roller tray here on the side so you can hook it up. And then it's also got a magnet for your brush to keep everything clean. So for this specific corner, it's not like drywall. So it's a little easier to cut if you're doing a corner. But so you just want to take your brush, just very carefully, without getting paint on the wood here. You just want to go down. Just like that. A couple touch-ups at the end. And you want to take your roller, and the edge is clean here. So we can just go right along the side here. Won't get anything on the wood. And then that'll hide your brush strokes. Just like that. And then you go around doing the whole room like that. Okay, so for the ceiling corner here, just make sure there's no dust or anything. At all times, you wanna make sure you got a rag on you. Just a damp rag in case you get paint anywhere. And you're just gonna take your brush, just let the paint off a little bit, and then you're gonna wanna go across. And just very carefully cut your corners. Just like that. And then take your speed roller here. For this corner here, touch it up like that. And then as close as you can to the ceiling. Take your speed roller like that, and all the brush strokes are gone. And that corner is pretty much ready to be rolled. Yeah, so you just wanna go up, make sure you're consistent with it. You can go back and fill in your gaps. So I got my 2 coats on. We just sanded in between. Had a couple spots that we had to use the putty knife for, but the second coat's still dry in here. So if we take a look here, so it's still all wet, so it doesn't look too consistent, but once it dries up, it'll clear up really nicely. The lighting in here isn't the greatest either. Check out some cuts here. So I hope you guys liked the video. We're gonna have more videos coming soon, kind of do-it-yourself projects while everybody's at home. So if you're interested, we do free Photoshops. Like I said before, just send us a picture of your bedroom, pick a color, and then yeah, you get to see the final results before it's even on the wall. But yeah, that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you could share this around, you never know who might, need something to do at home. And then yeah, cheers.